Moving on. Number 3. My friend and I are moving furniture around. While moving a couch with wooden legs along my hardwood floor, I push on one side of the couch with a force of 300 newtons, and he pushes on the other side with a force of 250 newtons. If the couch has a mass of 170 kilograms, what will be our resulting net force? And what direction will that net force be? Okay, so we have a couch here, a force of 250 pushing down, and force of, what did I say, 300? 300 pushing to the other side. Well, we've got two forces here, one in the y, one in the x. Our resulting force is going to be some way this way. And we can calculate it using the Pythagorean theorem. And then we can calculate the angle using a tangent. So, let's go ahead and remember what that looks like. So if I've got these two, I can put these forces together. I can put them next to each other. So I've got that, and then I've got that. Then I'm going to have a resulting force like that. And ultimately, I want to know this angle and this magnitude. So I'm going to do that by first using the Pythagorean theorem. So this is A, B, C, and A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I can go ahead and do that very easily. Okay, so that's going to be a 300 squared plus a 250 squared. All of that square root is going to equal my C. And if I take those, square them and add them together, I get 152,500. Then if I square root that, I end up with 390.5 is my C. So notice that's greater than both of these because the force components combined result in a vector of a greater magnitude because this would be the hypotenuse, the longest side of that triangle. So then I want to find the angle of this triangle. I want to find this angle right here. Well, if I remember geometry, this angle, lower than x, is going to be the same as this angle, right here. So, all I have to do is find that one. Well, A, B, and C, I have all those values now. So, TOA, I can use any one of these. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tangent. So, I want to set up B and A is my opposite over adjacent. So that's going to be tan theta is equal to B over A. And the reason I'm doing this is because when we do get into our vectors unit, we're going to be using this function a lot. And we're going to end up calculating this angle in a coordinate system based on this being 0 and going all the way around. Right now, we're just going to end up with a negative angle because it's lower than x. Okay? So B is my y component. So that's going to be 250 over 300 equal to tangent of theta. How do we get theta by itself? Well, I need to do tangent to the -1. So tan -1 times 250, 300 is equal to theta. So let's go ahead and plug that into our calculators. And that's going to give me a resulting angle of 39.8 degrees. So this angle is 39.8 degrees. And I could reference that being right here. And I'm going to call it a negative 39.8 degrees. Now, if you just say 39.8 degrees in a problem like this, at this point in our semester, that would be fine. I would completely accept that answer. You just need to find the magnitude of that angle. Okay? So, we end up with a 390.5 newtons at an angle of 39.8 degrees lower than x.